Hi, my name is Aditi and I am from India. So today we're baking sugar cookies, and this is particularly for the Swiss Digital Day. We have these cookie molds which were 3D printed, and it's so cool, by the way. We were asked to bake these cookies so that we could, get together technology and education and make it fun. So yeah, we're making iPhone shaped cookies and cookies shaped in the chapel bridge form. The digital coffee break was a great experience. While we enjoyed our coffee and cookies, we heard about presentations from the staff members telling us how digital advances could help us in the classroom and also in the industry. It was such a pleasure to be involved in this event and see 3D printing technology firsthand. It has definitely inspired me as to how technology can enhance our creativity in the kitchen and produce unique experiences for our guests and customers.